Hey everyone, guys, today I'm going to show you how to view your Bank of America card directly in the Bank of America app. Guys, so let's get started, okay? First things first, to begin, what you want to do is you want to open the Bank of America app on your phone, enter your login details if you're prompted, such as, your username and password, or face slash, touch ID if you have that enabled. You can put that in as well. Just, and now once you're actually logged in, guys, you'll actually see your main dashboard. Okay, look for the account link to the card that you actually want to view, which is usually under the accounts or cards, depending on your app's layout. Then, guys, what you want to do is actually just tap on your card or the account that you'd like to see more details for. This will actually bring up options that is specific to your card account. So what you want to do, guys, now is just scroll down uh, and look around for the options provided for something labeled, view card number or digital card details. Depending on your device and your Bank of America app's security features, you may need to authenticate again to actually view the card number, guys, okay? Now, for security reasons, Bank of America might ask you to verify identity again. This could involve entering your password, using your fingerprints, or even Touch ID, okay? But after authentication, your card details should now be visible, including your full card number, expiration date, and CVV in some cases. Be sure not to share this information, guys, with anyone or view it in public for security purposes, of course, right? That's it, guys. Now you know how to view your card number in the Bank of America app. Don't forget to log out when you're done, guys, especially if you're in a shared device. If you found this tutorial helpful, guys, please like and subscribe for more quick guides.